Imagine having the hiccups for a few minutes. Annoying, right? Now, imagine hiccuping for 68 years straight. Charles Osborne holds the world record for the longest hiccup attack ever recorded. His unstoppable hiccups started in 1922 after a farm accident and continued until 1990. At their peak, he hiccuped 40 times a minute but somehow learned to live a normal life. Doctors tried everything, hypnosis, surgery, and home remedies, but nothing cured him. Charles became a medical marvel and an example of human resilience. So next time you hiccup, be grateful they don't last a lifetime. Love unbelievable human records? Subscribe for more wild, true stories.